Hi, I'm Ashley Klaty and I'm super excited to be joining you here on the PCC channel today. I'm going to share how I created this really simple smoky plum look, which is perfect for Valentine's Day or any kind of date night. It is really gorgeous and matte with a fun pop of shimmer. And yeah, I'm super excited to share how I created it with you. I do have a channel here on YouTube. It is just at Ashley Klaty, so if you want to check it out, I do have a lot of beauty content over there. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into how I created this look. To start the eye look, I'm going to go in with the CoverGirl Lid Lockup. This is an amazing primer, and it works really great to just lock your eyeshadow in place, so when you're going out for date night, on Valentine's, you don't have to worry about it going anywhere. I'm going to go into the Persona Identity palette. This one is beautiful and has the perfect tones for a really romantic look for Valentine's. I'll start off by setting the lid with Humble, and I'm just taking a big fluffy brush to press this into the lid and set it there. Next, I'm going into Charming, which is a really beautiful warm brown, and it works perfect for a transition shade, so I'm going to pop that right into the crease. Next, I'm going to jump into Audacious, which is a really beautiful burnt orange color, and I'm going to apply that right below where we just applied the brown transition shade, just to add a little bit more warmth and dimension to the look. I'm also using the Persona brush. This can be found in the Copper Eye Kit. Next, I'm just jumping into Chic, which is a really gorgeous deep plum color. It just adds to that really kind of sultry type look for a date night. And I am taking a shader brush and just packing that onto the lid. Then, to make sure everything is blended really well, I'm just going to grab the brush that I used with the more burnt orange shade and go ahead and run that through the crease to really just mesh everything together. Next, I'm going to jump into Sassy and apply that under the brow bone. Then for the inner corner, I'm going into Gold Digger. I'm going to place it right here in the corner to really brighten that up, and then just drag it a little bit onto the lid, but not too far. Grabbing a flat definer brush, I'm going to go into Audacious, the burnt orange shade, and just smudge that right close to the lash line. Then with a fluffy brush, I'm going into Charming, which is what we use for the transition shade, and I'm just going to buff that right along the bottom. Then going back with the flat definer brush, I'm going into Chic, which is a deep plum shade, and I'm just going to smudge that right to this very outer corner. I'm just going to do a little more blending to make sure everything is nice and smooth, and then we will go ahead and finish the rest of the look. I'm going in with the Persona eyeliner in brown. This one is from the Copper Eye Kit as well, and I'm just smudging that right into the waterline. For mascara, I am using the Milk Kush Mascara. I love to use this one for the times where I don't want to wear falsies, but I still want a ton of volume and length. This one does a great job of curling the lashes and adding tons of volume and length to really create that kind of falsie type look. So I'm going to go ahead and just apply a few coats of this to the top and bottom lashes. Next up is highlight, and I feel like a really beautiful glow is essential for a really pretty Valentine's look. This is the Cali Glow highlighter by Persona in Laguna, and I'm just applying that right to the tops of my cheeks. A little bit down the nose, right above the lip a little bit. Then for the lips, I'm going in with this really beautiful nude by Persona. It's an OG and one of my favorites. It is so stunning. Then to set the face, I'm going to go in with the Milani Make It Last setting spray and just set everything down and lock it in place. Okay, I had to go find a different top because the other one just wasn't meshing well. I love how the whole look came together. So if you're looking for a beautiful smoky eye that's really easy and quick to achieve, this one is perfect, and it's super fun because it switches it up a little bit by adding that pop of shimmer to the inner corner, and it just brightens the whole look up. Always gotta throw some shimmer in somewhere. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed seeing how I created this look, and don't forget to go ahead and stop over by my YouTube channel. Come and say hi. I would love to see you over there, and if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!